Hey guys, how you doing? So as you can see, we're in. Yeah, what a hectic day. It's been really hard work. I thought it'd be quite straightforward. I thought the house was packed up reasonably well, but nah, it was really hard work. And I've just got to say massive thank you to Mark. I help him out with his minis. He come and helped me move with a couple of friends of his. Absolutely would not have done it without him. I'll probably still be around there in the dark now trying to get the lorry packed up. So yeah, thank you very much, Mark. Really humbled actually, you know. I really appreciate your help with that, and thank the father-in-law as well. He was there, father and mother-in-law helping us out, but it was really hard work. I'm absolutely wrecked, but we're in. As you can see, garage is a mess. Yeah, needs a lot doing, but it's got potential. I think longer term plans, at the moment I've put some wood up, so we've got a bit of a loft in here, got a loft ladder. I think I will insulate all the walls, dry line them, is that right? I don't know, insulate them, put ply over them, so it keeps a bit of warmth inside here. Obviously it needs much better lighting. These ones are a bit naff. What else? Need to make sure I can get internet out here. Probably more sockets, and then big plans for in here in the future. But as you can see, I think it's got plenty of space. The two minis are in here comfortably. You could just about fit three side by side, and you've still got room for tools and toolboxes and things like that. As we pulled up earlier, actually I parked the minis on the drive. I reckon you could fit 10 on the drive, but started talking about that. The missus wasn't very happy, but yeah, for me, just two minis, I'm happy. It's a house I wanted. It's a nice big double garage. Like I say, at the moment, guys, I'm just wrecked. So I think I'm going to go and have a bath. I'm going to chill out and just carry on the evening, putting things together, wiring things up. Yeah, and catch you soon. Hopefully next week I should be in a position to start work on the cars. So don't know what I'm going to do first. Well, I can work on them both at once now. So rear radius arms on PL, get that done. Yeah, I don't know, I'll let you know as we go along, but thanks for tuning in, guys. I know it's probably a bit boring, you probably don't care that I've moved house, but hey, means I've got a nice big garage. That's what it's all about. So look forward to more videos, more working space and bigger projects. Thanks guys, bye. Alright guys, I know this is probably really sad, but I've just had to go at the first stab at sorting out the garage. Made some sort of sense of it. Still a load of stuff to sort out, to be honest. I can't believe I managed to accumulate so much, and somehow I managed to fit it in my old little garage. Well, it was kind of between the garage, the shed and the loft, but so I'm sad because I've just put the minis in the garage, left them running, and I think they sound happy. It's been a tough few days. Maybe I'm starting to go mental. Come and have a listen. Tell me if you think they sound happy. Is it just me? Am I going mad? I don't think I've ever had them side by side running like that before, and yeah, I think they harmonise quite well, A series and a C16. But yeah, like I say, still lots and lots to do. I've got an oven in my garage at the moment. The house comes fully fitted with appliances, so need to get rid of that one or use it for powder coating. So excellent. Catch up with you soon, guys. Cheers.